Welcome to our channel. Setting up Citi Online Access allows you to manage your bank accounts and credit cards digitally with ease. Here's how to complete your setup. Step 1. Visit online.citi.com using your web browser. Click on the Register button located near the Login section on the homepage. Step 2. Enter your Citi account information, including your credit card number or bank account number. You'll also need to provide the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 3. Citi will verify your identity by asking several security questions based on your account history and personal information. Answer these questions accurately to proceed. Step 4. Create your user ID, which will be your login username for Citi Online services. Choose an ID between 6 and 30 characters that's easy for you to remember. Step 5. Set a strong password following Citi's security guidelines. Your password should contain at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Step 6. Enter your email address, where Citi can send account notifications and security alerts. Step 7. Create security questions and answers that only you would know. These provide an additional layer of security for your account access. Step 8. Review and accept Citi's online services agreement and privacy policy. Once you complete the registration, you can immediately log in and start managing your Citi accounts online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.